Now audible, see? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Thank you once again. Yeah, mic loose is there here. Okay, I'm not fitting properly. So what is the harmonic progressions? A sequence is said to be HP. Thank you, Chandus. The reciprocal of its terms are in AP. So choose any one sequence. A1, A2 and so on, AN are in HP. Then their reciprocals are in AP. Okay. Dear students, here we do not have any formula for the sum of the n terms of HP. But what is the general form of harmonic progressions? 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D and so on, 1 by A plus n minus 1D. Note, no term of any HP can be 0. So dear students, this is the note is very important. A, B, C are in HP. Am I correct? Then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in what? AP. What is the condition? 1 by B minus 1 by A is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by B. That means 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. So please remember this point. Yeah, very good afternoon, Dimple. Continuous from writing. So from this case, 2 by B is equal to how much? Take the LCM. A plus C by AC. Therefore, B is how much? 2AC by A plus C cross multiplication. That is the proof. It's very, very important. So again, note, what is the case? 2, 3, 4 are in AP. Check it. Then 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 are in HP. Like that, that's the meaning. The reciprocals are in HP. Converse is also true. Get ready. We'll discuss from GA advanced and mains questions. Some easy questions are there, some complicated questions are there. We'll discuss. So what type of questions we can expect in GE mains? Get ready. Shall I proceed? This is screenshot here. Now, same thing, definition in another way. Sequence A1, A2 and so on here is said to be harmonic progressions if the reciprocals form an AP. That is called as HP. So this is the meaning. AP means what here? It should be a constant. That constant is called as common difference. That's the meaning. See, three quantities A, B, C are said to be HP means what? The reciprocals in AP. No need to write down this part. Already discussed this part. Okay. Now, what does the harmonic mean? See carefully. This is very important. When three quantities are in HP, then the middle one is called as harmonic mean between the other two. See example. If A and B are two numbers, H is the harmonic mean between two, then we can say that A, H, B are in HP. That means what here? Three numbers are reciprocal in AP. That means constant, common difference, that is in AP. So simplify, directly you can write H is equal to what? 2AB by A plus B. Note, A, B, C are in AP. Right on? Note, if A, B, C are in AP, number 1. What is the meaning? B is equal to A plus C by 2. 2. GP means what? B is equal to root AC. B square is equal to R. B square equal to AC. R in HP. What is the meaning? B is equal to 2AC by P plus C. A plus C. So please revise this one formulas. Oh, right on. So dear students, I'm writing a question. Right on. If eighth term and 8th and 14th term of a HP are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively, find its 20th term or 12th term, anything like that. Solution. Anyone? How to solve? Dear students, right now given A8 is equal to how much is given? Anyone? 1 by 2. A14 is how much is given? 1 by 3. That means what here? How to solve this? Proceed. So what is the eighth term here? How to find this one? So consider how to say A8 means what here? I can take 1 by, in AP means I'm taking in AP. General, what are the terms here? 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, and so on are in HP. So what is the eighth term here? A plus 7D is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by A plus 13D is how much? 1 by 3. So therefore, A plus 7D is 2. A plus 13D is equal to 3. Am I correct? Now simplify these two terms, subtract. 13 minus 7, 6D is equal to 1. D is getting 1 by 6. And A is how much? 7 by 6. That means 5. Yeah, 5 by 6. Yeah, good. Let me see. That's all. Now what they're asking? Anyone? 20th term. 20th term means what the meaning? 1 by a plus 19d. So please help me anyone. A means 1 by 6. 19 into d is how much? 1 by 6. How much is here? 20. That means 6 by 20 is coming. 3 by how much? 2, 3 is 2, 10. 3 by 10 is coming. Check it. Sorry, A is 5 by 6. No? Yeah, yeah. 5 by 6 means changing again. How much is coming? Anyone? 24. This is 24. That means 6 by 24 means 1 by 4. Yeah, exactly. Correct. A 12 means A plus 11 digits. I'm giving idea like that. 5 by 6 plus 11 into 1 by 6. How much is coming? Simplify. 6 by 16. So 3 by 8. Like that. Good. Yes, I'm giving idea this one. So now I'm giving very important point. Please write on. Shall I? Kirti, shall I proceed? Oh, type it simple. Okay. One more question. Yes, okay, thank you. Note. Generally, if A is greater than 1, B greater than 1, C greater than 1, means what, dear students? A, B, C are in GP, means all are positive. Then so that, prove that anything, 1 by 1 plus log A to the base E. 1 by 1 plus log B to the base E. 1 by 1 plus log C to the base E are in HP. It's very easy. We that easy for you. See. Since what is the given? A, B, C are in GP. What is the meaning? Anyone? B square is equal to AC. Am I correct? So apply logarithm on both sides. What is the answer? Logarithm of B square is 2 log B. Log A plus log C. Why? I'm writing formula. Log XY. Anyone? Log X plus log Y. Formula is there. So in this case, this is what E. That's the meaning. So what is the meaning? Log A, log B, log C are in AP. Now just adding one constant. What is the constant here? See, question 1 is given that adding 1 to each term. Log A to the base E. 1 plus log B to the base E. 1 plus log C to the base E are in what? AP. How means? A, B, C are in AP, then A plus or minus K, B plus or minus K, C plus or minus K. The resultant sequence is also in AP. What's revise the properties of AP, dear students? So these are in AP, but what about the reciprocals? Are in HP. This is a beautiful question. Completed. Oh, what is speed, Professor? Right. So, dear students, here I'm adding one more slide. What is this here? Yeah. Just a minute. Now see, sometimes they're asking question like this only. If A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN are in HP, then they can ask anything, solution C. For the given C, given, we can fill the dash, so many questions. Given A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN are in HP. Okay. What about their reciprocals, Rajesh? 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, and so on, 1 by AN. Anyone? The sequence is what? In AP. Yes. Now, multiply with any constant. For the constant C, multiply with A1 plus A2 plus and so on AN. Why? Because what is now? This is a constant. A1, A2, A3 are what? These are the numbers. If I'm adding these numbers, suppose what constant is coming? So what I'm doing here? Multiply with each and every term. What is the result? See? A1 plus A2 plus and so on AN by A1. A1 plus A2 plus and so on AN by A2 by AN are in AP. So fine. Adding minus 1 on both sides. Adding minus 1 to each term. What the answer is coming? Minus 1 means A1, A1 cancel. What is the remaining? A2 plus A3 and so on AN by A1. Comma. Take the LCM after that. A1 plus A3 plus A4 and so on AN by A2 and so on A1 plus A2 plus and so on AN minus 1 by AN are in AP. Still, we can write conclusion. What is the conclusion? A1 by, this is our question. A2 plus A3 plus and so on AN, comma, A2 by A1 plus A3 and so on AN, comma, AN by A1 plus A2 and so on AN minus 1 are in HP. So, dear students, they can ask either this case or this case. Okay. If you want, I will give simple example. See, if A, B, C, D are in HP, for example, then anyone tell me B plus C plus D by A, C plus D plus A by B, A plus B plus D by C, A plus B plus C by D are in dash HP or AP. Anyone? Just a minute, yeah. AP, see careful. Ulta, remember, these are reciprocals are in HP. Yeah, correct. Rajesh size, good. So these type of observations are very important. So in this case, I'm taking 4 elements are there, but in this case, n elements are there. That is the difference. Good, Professor. right? So this is the concept right now. Relation among AGH. If A, G, H are arithmetic, geometric, or more means respectively between two positive numbers A and B, for example. Then what does the arithmetic mean? A plus B by 2. Arithmetic means you can write capital A like that. What does the geometric mean? 2DAB. What does the harmonic mean? 2AB by A plus B. Now concept is, what is the relation among A, G, H? A into G. A and H how much? A means A plus B by 2. Harmonic mean 2AB by A plus B. A plus B plus B. 2 cancel AB. That means G square is equal to H. Then we can say that G is the geometric mean between arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. See, A minus Z. A plus B by 2 minus 2AB. Simple for looking at. A minus is how much? It's a perfect square. A means root A whole square you can write. Root B whole square. A minus B by whole square. Means for now, this one is always strictly greater than 0. This one perfect square always positive. RG is positive. If A and B are positive. So A minus is greater than 0 means what? A is greater than G. Similarly, like that. G is also, we can prove that G is also greater than H. Yeah, I should give the conclusion. What is that? Here I'm writing C. A, G, H are in geometry progressions. So dear students, here A, B are distinct. Note, if A is equal to B, then what you can say? A is equal to G is equal to H. Then that's why overall conclusion is what? A greater than or equal to G greater than or equal to H. So what is the minimum value of tan theta plus cot theta? 2. Why? Is the property. What is the minimum value of sin theta plus cosecant theta? This is the answer 2. So using AM is greater than or equal to GM. So better write down. Here I'm adding one more point. AM is greater than or equal to GM greater than or equal to HM. That is the meaning. But this concept is not there in the exam. Okay, no? On Sunday. Arithmetic means are not there, but it may be helpful for you in revising. Okay? Now see. What is the 10th series? Find the 10th term. Find the 12th term. Find the 20th. Anything. 8, 8 by 3, 8 by 5. The given series is in HP. That's what we don't know how to find. How to find? So reciprocal. Apply. It is not AP. But reciprocal apply. See 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8. What is the common difference? 1 by 4. So then we can see that these are in AP. Fine. Dear students, see, nth term of HP is same as 1 by nth term of AP. That's the meaning. Be careful. So what is nth term of AP? Anyone? I'm writing. An is equal to, I'm talking about AP. A plus n minus 1 into D. N means 10. That is 9. I'm writing here C. Just a minute. Yeah. So in this case, 1 by A plus 90. That is the meaning. How much coming anyone? 1 by A means how much? 1 by 8. 9 into 1 by 4. That is the answer. What is the LCM? 8. 1 plus 9 2s are 18. So answer is 8 by 19. That is the 10th term of HP. Right on. So please write on this one. Already discussed. Once again, I'm giving for you. About triple star, 5 star, anything this one. Sum of the first and natural numbers. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. My question is, here n from 1 to 100. Sum of the first 100 natural numbers. How much? 5050. That is the formula. Sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Anyone tell me? Sigma k square. Here n from 1 to 8. Anyone? 204. Sum of the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on and cube. So this one you can write like that. These are the notations. You should see carefully. So get ready. My question is, sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Anyone? Rajesh, come on. Arif, Jishnu, anyone? Pravarsa, Sai Chandra, n square. Shravani, excellent. Shravani responding immediately. Answer is n square. Durga Priya, good. Ram Lakshmi, good. Sai Chandra, good. This is 4. Yeah, Pravarsa, yeah, appreciated. Yeah. Good. Oh, more custard. Good, really appreciated. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Sum of the first n even natural numbers. Sum of the first n even natural numbers. What is the answer? Yes, Ramakshmi responding immediately. Fantastic. N into n plus 1. That's all. N into n plus 1. That means n square plus n. Yeah, n square plus n. So right now, yeah, enough. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Rita, good. Next slide. Now discuss some problems. See, anyone. So same question they can ask like this: a power 1 by x, b power 1 by y, c power 1 by z. And a, b, c are in GP. Then x, y, z are in AP every time. They can ask anyway like that. Get ready. AP, GP, HB also. Exam means what? AP, GP, HP. Basics. See the syllabus. Get ready, dear students. Okay. What is syllabus? AP, GP, HP. So option is coming 5. That's the answer. Okay. Now given. This is a given. Okay. So apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of a power m. What is the answer? M into log a. Logarithm. Karthik. Respond. What is the answer? Logarithm of a power m is equal to m into log a. So here also apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of, it is not substitute. Logarithm of u power 1 by x is equal to logarithm of v power 1 by y. Logarithm of c power 1 by z. What the answer? This is the answer. Is equal to k. Say. Then what is log a? Ax. Like that. Log b, ky. Log c, kz. Now, b square is equal to ac. Since a, b, c are in GP, b square is equal to ac. Then 2 into log b is equal to log a plus log c. One result is there. A, B, C are in GP means log A, log B, log C, where in AP. A, B, C are in AP means GP means log A, log B, log C are in AP. Converse is also true. Now, log B, what is the value of log B? KY, KX, KZ. So both sides divided with K. 2y is equal to x plus z. Therefore, x, y, z are in AP. So that's why this is the triple star question. Shall I proceed? Dear students, write down this question. The first, second, and middle terms of AB are A, B, C respectively. The question once again. The first, second, and middle terms of AP are A, B, C respectively. Then I am adding one more question. Find the number of terms and find their sum. That is the question. Now see. Next. A1, A2, A3, and so on. How to guess? How to write? Middle term is what's the case here? How many terms are there? Must be there. Must be odd number of terms are there. B in AP. Since middle term is given, what is the middle term? Middle term is C. Okay. What is the first term? A. Second term? B. That means what is the common difference? B minus A. Okay. Number of terms in AP. How much? 2n plus 1. Why? Because odd number of terms. Then n plus 1th term is middle term. Simple example here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 5 is what? Middle term. Like that, n plus 1th term is the middle term. That is the meaning. Write down, all of you write down. So what to do here? N plus 1 term means what the meaning? A plus n plus 1 minus 1 d is equal to what the middle term? C is given. Simplify. A plus n d is equal to C. Therefore, n is how much? C minus A by D. D is how much? What is the common difference? B minus A. That's the meaning. Therefore, number of terms. My question is what here? Number of terms. What is the formula? 2 into C minus A by B minus A plus 1. That is the answer. 2C plus B minus 3A by B minus C. That is the answer. How many terms are there? Number of terms. In terms of ABC means that is the answer. But they are asking number of, sum of these terms. Sum of these terms. What is the formula? This is the proof. Apply, you can get this one. Option B. So coming Sunday exam is there. So try to attempt maths exam first. By solving only you can get this one. Just I given an example 1, 2, 3 and so on 9. Middle term is given means what here? Can I take more even numbers? If I'm taking suppose 1, 2, 3. So in this case, which one is the middle term? We can't say. If I'm taking odd number of terms, in this case, what is the middle term? 3. Like that. Thank you, Shravani. But already they mentioned middle term is given C. That's why you take the odd number of terms. Good doubt. So they can ask number of terms also sometimes. Number of terms, how many are there? This one. Okay, ready? Right on. If x1 z are in AP and X to Z are in GP. Then X, comma 4 and Z are in dash A, GP, AP, HP, none. Anyone? What the answer? Maybe. What the answer? Yes, good. So clearly, since what the condition is given, since X1 Z are in AP means what the condition here, students? Anyone? 2 is equal to X plus Z. 2 into means what? I is that formula? See, X to Z are in GP means what the condition? 2 square is equal to XZ. That means what? 4 is equal to XZ. 1, 2. Now, X for Z, they are in dash. That is the question. Now, this 4 is equal to 2xz by x plus z. I can write. See carefully. Verify. Write on this one. 2 into xz is how much? 4 by x plus z 2. So answer is how much coming for? And what you can say? X 4 z are in HP. So same question they are linked up with AP, GP, HPC. Shall I proceed? Option is what? C. What? Excellent question. 2a, x, y, z, b are in AP. Previous question, advanced question. X plus 5 plus z is equal to 15. If A, X, Y, Z, B are in HP, then okay, this is the condition. What is the answer? By the property that, what is the meaning? X plus Z is equal to A plus B. Why? The sum of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is same as sum of the first and last term. Property. Write down that one. And 2y is equal to x plus z. Why? Because x, y, z are in AP. So this is the case one. From this one, I can write x plus z is how much? 2y. I'm writing step by step. See. X, Y, Z are in AP means what the condition? 2y is equal to x plus z. So x plus z is equal to a plus b. So therefore y is how much? 2y is how much? A plus b. So y is a plus b by 2. Forget this one. Now x plus y plus z is equal to how much? Anyone? Sum of these three terms is how much? Nothing. Yeah, x means how much, Rana? A plus D. A plus 2D. A plus 3D. So what the meaning? 3A plus 6D. So 3A. What is the common difference? Anyone? Find out that is. Actually, one property is there. Sum of three terms is nothing but 3 by 3 times half of the A plus B formula actually. This also not a good direct we can write. Direct we can write formula is what? How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2 into first and last term. If there are 4, 4 by 2. There are 5, 5 by 2. That is the formula. 5. What is the value of x plus 5 plus z? 15. So simplify. A plus b is how much? 10. Okay. 3 5 z. And one A, X, Y, Z, B are in HP means what about the reciprocals? HP, I mean AP are in AP. That means what here also same thing. 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z. How many terms? 3. So 3 by 2 into first and last. First and last. 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z is how much? 5 by 3 is given. See, this value is how much? 5 by 3 from the question. Take the LCM. A plus B by AB. What is A plus B? 10. So using this property now, see. So 10 by 9 is equal to 10 by AB. So AB is how much? 9. A plus B is how much? 10. Can you guess? Product of two numbers is 9. Sum of these two numbers is 10 means what? A and B must be what? 9 or 1. Means what here? A can be 9, B is 1. Otherwise, A can be 1, B is 9. Like that. So option is C. The thing is, you should use this value is 15, this value is 5 by 3. Actually, some students are so whenever they are solving this type of problems, can little confusing. So try to avoid. How means by practicing only 1 or 2 times you should provide. Read it. Okay. Three numbers are in GP. Okay. Whose sum is 70? If the extreme B each multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 and the means by 5. They will be in AP. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. So this is the TPP question. Tell me, tomorrow I will ask you. Write down. Someone is calling. Dear students, now see, what I'm saying. Yeah, what is the answer? Anyone? See, previous year advanced, mains and advanced is one. See, I'm writing. Let's write the question. Write the question. I will explain. What is given? Log 2. Logarithm of 2 power x minus 1. Logarithm of 2 power x plus 3 are in AP. Are in AP. Okay. So means part of what dear students I'm writing. A, B, C are in AP means what? For the meaning 2 times B is equal to A plus C. Here also 2 times logarithm of 2 power x minus 1 is equal to log 2 plus logarithm of 2 power x plus 3. Am I correct? So this one I'm writing log xy is equal to log x plus log y. And logarithm of a power m is equal to m into log a. I'm using these two formulas. So this one becomes logarithm of weight. Still I am reducing the formula. Put 2 power x is equal to t. Then what is your answer? That's the minimum. Now log a plus log b. What is the answer anyone? 2 into t plus 3. This is what? T minus whole square. So remove logarithm on both sides now. T minus whole square is equal to 2t plus 6. Is clear? So expand this one. T square minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 2t plus 6. So t square, how much coming dear student? Minus 4t minus 5 is equal to 0. For the case, t minus, how much coming? T minus 5, t plus 1 is equal to 0. See. Oh, I am writing C. T is equal to minus 1 not possible. Why? Because 2 power x is equal to minus 1 not possible. Okay, dear student. So what is the remaining finally? 2 power x is equal to 5. E is equal to 5 means 2. So x is what? Log 5 to the base 2. Apply logarithm on both sides. So answer is log 5 to the base 2. Please write down. See the next question. Completed. Wow, Soumya Pranit, yeah, good, yeah. Respond immediately. Good. Dear students, see. This one is also DPP question. Practice also. This is a DPP, same question. Log 2 to the base 3. This is the DPP question for you. DPP. Same model discussion now. Arithmetic problem means like that. So this is also DPP. Can you try? Try this one also DPP question. Write on this question. Anyone? I'll explain. See, this is a funny question. Previous ID question. See, given A1, A2, A3, A10 are in AP. Okay, that means what is A1? 2. A10, 3. What they're asking? A4. How to find A4 in A1? First of all, what is A1? A. A10 means what is the formula? A1 plus 9D. AP means. So 2 plus 9D is equal to 3 means what is the common difference? 1 by 9. Dear students, now what is the A4 in A1? A1 plus 3D. A1 means 2. So 1 by 9 into 3. 2 plus 1 by 3 means how much? 7 by 3. Leave it. H1, H2, H3, and so on. H10 are in HP. What about the reciprocals? Are in HP. So 1 by H10 is equal to 1 by H1 plus 9 into D. D is what? Common difference of the new sequence at the meaning. So 1 by H10, how much? 1 by 3. 1 by H1 is how much? 2 plus 90. 2. That means minus 1 by 6 is equal to 90. Capital D is how much? Minus 1 by 54. Here A plus D, A plus 2 can directly can solve, but I am writing like this one. D is the common difference. Yes, small d is the common difference of first sequence. Fine. They are asking H7. 1 by H7 means what? 1 by H1 plus 6D. So 1 by H1, 1 by 2, 6 into minus 1 by 54. How much is coming? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 9. 7 by 18. Therefore, A4 H7 is how much? A4 is how much? 7 by 3. H7 is how much? 18 by 7. See carefully. So answer is how much? A3 H8. A5 H6. Check it. These values are always 6. Most. So main thing is this one. 1 by 7, this one. Just like compare how it is possible. Trust period. Dear students, I'm giving one funny question. Anyone tell me? Oh. Anyone? Challenging, okay? In an EP. Okay. This one we're talking about. In an EP. Completed? Jishnu, who is that asking? Yeah, Santosh completed, Nana? Okay, thank you. Try these questions, okay? Yeah. See, right? Prove that 6, 6, 6, and so on 6. How many digits? Digits. Whole square. 8, 8, 8. N digits. is equal to 4, 4 and so on 4. How many digits? Prove that this is the question. Damn sure question is very dead easy for you. Okay? Are you ready? Don't write anything. Just see. First I'm giving question logic C. 666, what the meaning anyone? So what the meaning? 6 into 10 square plus 10 plus 1. Am I correct? These are in what? GP. How to write? 666 means how to write? 6 into 10 cube minus 1 by 10 minus 1 means 9. What is the formula? Sum of n terms. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. How many times are there? 3. So 10 power n minus 1 by 9. 10 minus 1. Now here question is 6 repeated. How many times? N digits. That means 6 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9. 2 by 3 into 10 power n minus 1. Now 6 repeated how many times? N digits. Whole square. So 4 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 whole square. This is a 1. Similarly, 8 and so on 8. N digits how much? What is the answer? 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. This is a 2. How means this one? This one. Sometimes they're asking 7, 7, like and so on 7, for example. N digits are there. How to write anyone? 7 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. 3 repeated n times n digits. Like that. Okay. Come to the point. What is LHS? How to write? 4 by 9. 10 power n minus 1 whole square. 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. Dear students, here I am taking 4 by 9 as a common factor into 10 power n minus 1. Still, what is remaining? 10 power n minus 1 plus 2 is there. 4 2 is 8. 4 by 9 into minus 1 plus 2. A plus B into A minus B. How to write? A minus B. What is the meaning? 4 repeated how many times? 2n digits. This is the RHS. Hence, 2. So all of you practicing yesterday DTPP. Okay, thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.